Indians are fascinated by the moon since ancient days. Now we are ready to land on the moon. So Indians are basically fascinated about the moon in the ancient days only, and now they are ready, because now they are ready to land on the moons. They want to just find it out. They want to explore the whole moon and find out what the moon is having actually what is life exists on the moon. So that is why there was a mission to Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan is the mission towards that dream. So it was the mission towards that dream that the Indians are ready to land on the moon. Chandrayaan in Sanskrit means moon craft. In Sanskrit it is known as moon craft. Chandrayaan was announced on 15th of August 2003. So when it was announced, it is very important for you to please note it down that when it was announced on 15th of August 2003 by our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Okay. Now, there were two Chandrayaan missions. First was Chandrayaan-1 Moon Orbiter. Chandrayaan-1 was the lunar craft launched using Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. So, it was launched using the Polar Satellite Launch, which is in short we call as PSLV. Its weight is 304 kg at launch and 590 kg at lunar orbit. So what was the weight during launching? It was 1304, and now in the lunar orbit it is 590 kg. This lunar craft orbits around the moon 100 km from moon surface. ये जो लूनर क्राफ्ट है ये क्या करता है, ये ऑर्बिट लेता है अराउंड द मून ऑफ 100 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम द मून सरफेस से 100 किलोमीटर. ISRO invited and selected suitable scientific payloads. Payloads is basically an instrument for the experiments which they used for the Chandrayaan from international arena. There are some the international arena who was invited by the ISRO. So these are it is Radom from Bulgarian Academy of Science, Minisar M3 from NASA United States, C1XS SIR-2 SARA payload from European Space Agency. So they are the payloads from the international arena. Now see, this is the configuration of Chandrayaan-2, which covers rover, orbit craft, lander craft. Okay, see about the Chandrayaan-2, it is moon rover. And what was the Chandrayaan-1? It was a moon orbiter. So we'll discuss about the Chandrayaan-2 moon rover. Chandrayaan-2 is an Indian second mission to the moon. It was the second mission. It was launched using geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle. So it was launched using GSLV vehicle in July 2019. Okay, it consists of a spacecraft. And a landing platform with moon rover. So as I already told you about the configuration, that it consists of rover, orbiter craft and lander craft. So it is written here that it consists of spacecraft, landing platform with the moon rover, where the rover would move on a 6 wheels on the lunar surface. So जो rover है हमारा वो move करता है 6 wheels with the help of 6 wheels lunar surface पे, collect samples of soil or rocks, do a chemical analysis and send data to the spacecraft. What they do, वो क्या करते हैं वहाँ पे जो भी samples उन्हें मिलते हैं वहाँ पे soil के, rocks के, तो उससे वो chemical analysis करते हैं और जो भी data उन्हें मिलता है वो क्या करते हैं, spacecraft को वो send करते हैं. Okay, so now we'll discuss some questions is there about the quiz. So what does Chandrayaan mean? Chandrayaan means moon craft. State the purpose of the launch of Chandrayaan-1. So why it has been launched, why the Chandrayaan-1 has been launched? It was launched to examine the surface of the moon. What type of mission Chandrayaan-2? Mission Chandrayaan-2 was basically about the exploration. It was about the lunar exploration mission. So these are basically the answers. Okay, so hope you have learn this chapter properly, and if you're having any doubt, kindly ask me and go through this chapter. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at your home. Thank you.